Are you talking, Noah? Are you talking? What are you saying? Here, let's get that bib out of the way. What are you saying, Noah? He's saying, I'm trying to roll over, but I can't yet. He's getting there. He's all the way on his side. Get that bib out of the way. Can you talk some more? Can you talk some more? Oh. Yeah? Says, I sure like to put that bib over my face. Here, let me get that for you. Yeah? What do you see over there? That's so funny. What do you see? Yeah, you talking? 'Cause I like this thumb. What do you see, Noah? Oh, I'm trying so hard to roll. Okay, well, maybe we'll roll some more later. Okay, say bye-bye.